Hello everyone, welcome to IITN's GATE classes. So today's session we are going to have a discussion of job notification series of recently released job notification by DRDO for the post of Junior Research Fellow in the ITR lab. Okay, so let us then begin today's session. So this is basically from integrated test range. So you can see what this post, it is valid only for computer science or information technology or ECE department. So you can see the educational qualification and experience that is required. It is either BE Tech in first divisions, that means 60% marks, 60% mark along with GATE score, or you can have ME Tech in first division both at graduate and postgraduate levels, means 60% or more in your MTech and in your BTech. Okay, so disciplines that are your eligible for this JRF position, they are computer science or information technology, one number of seat is there, and for electronics communication, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation or applied electronics and instrumentation, there are 4 seats. Okay, so date of interview, so this interview it will be your online interview. Okay, so it will be later on told when is the date. So how to apply for this position? So interested candidates with the qualification, you are invited to send application in the PDF form that is available in this website, or it is also available at the down of this notification. So you have to do what? You have to write this, convert it into your document, Word document, make edit there, and then again convert it back to PDF, and you have to send it to this mail ID. Okay, hrd@itr.drdo.in, and there you have to superscribe in the subject in block letter application for the post of JRF. This is very much mandatory that you have to mention in the subject line of your email that you are applying for the post of JRF. It is important for the candidate to submit their application form and supporting document as an attachment in a single file PDF only. So you need to attach your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, your BTech mark sheet, and GATE if you are applying from this division, BTech along with GATE. So GATE scorecard also needs to be attached. Or if you are applying from ME Tech, then instead of GATE scorecard, you are going to attach your ME Tech mark sheet and passing out degree in a single PDF file. Okay, you have to do it in a single PDF file. This is very important point. Look, the application form should be typewritten and scanned as PDF after signature. Okay, so it has to be typewritten. Okay, not handwritten. Handwritten application will not be accepted, it will be rejected. So remember this, you cannot handwrite the application form, you have to type it. So better is what I am going to tell you the trick, that you take the PDF from this website, okay, or it is given below. You take the PDF, convert it into a Word document, okay, Word document you convert, and then make the changes over there, your name or whatever information asked, and then again convert it back to the PDF. So there are various online sites that do this. Just go in the Google and type online Word to PDF converter or PDF to Word converter, you will get numerous sites. Okay, so candidates, those of you who are working with government or public sector bodies or autonomous bodies should attach NOC from their respective department. Incomplete or partially filled application would not be accepted. Also, the candidature is liable to be rejected if any mismatch is noticed in detail regarding qualification, branch, percentage of mark, or non-fulfillment of any above criteria. Candidates need to submit the application form along with all certificate and testimonials in soft copy, scanned copy, and send to hrd@itr.drdo.in, failing which candidature will be rejected. Okay, so you need to send all your testimonials like your mark sheet, certificate. Okay, you need to send it in a scanned copy format. Okay, so now important information. So last date to submit the application is 9 July 2021. Okay, so remember this, 9 July is the last date for applying. Okay, till 5 PM. The walk-in interview will be conducted through video conferencing. So I told this via Cisco WebEx, and SMS email will be sent to the shortlisted candidate regarding the VC date, time and interview. Okay. Only candidates who have submitted application along with supporting documents and shortlisted after scrutiny will be allowed to in the walk-in interview. Okay, so you should also have in point number 4, you can see you need to have a valid email ID and mobile number throughout the recruitment process. Age limit, this is very important. Age limit is 28 years and the relaxations are as follow: 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC as on the closing date of the application form. Okay, so 28 is here for your general and EWS. Okay, and the fellowship remuneration, it is 31,000 per month for JRF and applicable HRA and medical facilities. And there will be the post, this is temporary for JRF, the post is temporary. Maximum tenure is of 5 years, the initial tenure will be of 2 years, and if your performance is very good, you will be promoted to senior research fellow, and if for the next 3 years you are going to work as SRF only. Okay, now point number 10 is also important. Lot of candidates have this doubt that after serving 5 years will you be absorbed in DRDO or not. So it depends totally on your work. Okay, how good you are in working. So depending on that, you might be absorbed in DRDO or you might not be absorbed in the DRDO. You might be relieved after 5 years. Okay, so police verification and medical test will be done, okay, as per government rule, and no TADA will be paid for attending interview. So this point is irrelevant, okay, because this will be video conference. So what is the requirement for TADA? So this point is irrelevant. And remember, this last date for your submission of the email is 9/7/2021, and you need to send your application through a single PDF format to this email ID, superscribing this line, okay, superscribing this line on the subject line of your email ID. Okay, and this is your application form. Okay, this is your application form. So better is you go to the website of DRDO, you will get a more clear thing, and that you need to do what? Either you take this as an image to your, okay, import this as an image to your Word, and there you make the changes, and after that you convert the Word file to PDF, or you can do what? You go to the website, there is a clear PDF document, PDF file for this one, and then you can do what? You can convert it into a doc file, and then you can make your editing and fill your instructions, fill your personal detail, and again you can convert it back to PDF. Okay, so this is the given condition and all the eligibility. So I hope you people have understood. If there is any doubt, you can do what? You can just comment in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you. Okay, okay, then see you in the next session, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next session. Thank you.